Okay, I want to show you a dashboard view of the back end of the free version of WordPress. You can just go to Frewpdshtour and click and log into my account. You'll get to a page like this, and you'll put in your username and password and click login. Then, once you're in, you're going to see the dashboard of WordPress. First of all, you can go ahead and change your gravatar. A gravatar is basically your avatar in WordPress. You can go ahead and change the color scheme of your blog, etc. You can put in your Twitter API if you want to. You basically can send the status updates to your blog from Twitter if you'd like to. We can show about how to do that a little bit later, but this is just, purposes of this is just to show you the back end and kind of show you around. You go ahead and update your name here, any other information about yourself. Click update profile if you want to, once your profile is updated, go ahead and click on your dashboard. Alright, and for your blog, in this case we created the blog mybooksummary.com. You can see the blog stats here from mybooksummary. .wordpress.com, I should say. Now notice it's a brand new. We just set it up the other day, and it just shows you I've got how many views I get per day. I can look at that by weeks and months. Who referred there to the sites. It's kind of just the stats. You're mostly going to be using this if you're using the free version of WordPress. If you're hosting your own version of WordPress, you'll probably use Google Analytics, and it'll give you these stats and many more. You can go ahead and Blog Surfer just allows you to go ahead and check out other blogs out there. You can monitor the comments that you've made, particularly tags, the blogs that you have. You can click on that and you can see, okay, here's my blog, mybooksummary.wordpress.com. I want to go ahead and that is my primary blog. I'm going to click on it. That's what it looks like right now. Obviously I've not done anything with that yet, but that is your blog, just if you wanted to see, go there from here. You can also publicize it through Yahoo Updates and Twitter. You can set that up from here. If I click on book summary, a different type of view. This is where I'm going to go, and I'm going to see how I can add different posts to my blog. For instance, I can either edit a post that I already have, I can add a new post, I can edit the tags here, and I can create categories for my blog. I can go ahead into their media library and add different media to my blog. I can add links. I can add pages to my blog. If you hover over here, you'll see there's a little arrow. Most of these comments doesn't have one, but ratings, I can put the settings on my ratings and reports. I can actually create new polls for my blog if I would like to. I can play with the appearance. I can choose the themes, the widgets, the extras, the headers, everything that I want to change. I can actually get down to the CSS and edit that if I want to. So you can see WordPress actually gives you a little bit more on their free version than any of the others do. It's a little bit more customizable, and their hosted version of WordPress is even more customizable, and you can do tons of things with it. And there's many plugins that you can plug in and make it just really easy, so you don't have to be extremely technical. All you have to do is literally upload a plugin and it works. If I want a plugin meaning something, maybe I want a little form on my site that captures information, there's a plugin for that. I just literally upload it to my blog and it shows up. And there's so many, I mean, nameless plugins. There's just countless out there. Alright, I can also manage the users, the authors, and I can also manage several things, the settings. In here in my settings, I've got my general settings. I'll click on that, just show you. There's my blog title, the tagline for my blog. Obviously, it's going to default to just another WordPress blog. You're going to change that to fantastic books. Just for fun right now. I can change the date format, the time, etc. And the email that it's sending to. On writing, if I click on that, it's going to tell me, the size of the posts in each box, the formatting that I want to use. If I want, the link category to be a blog roll. I can post by email. I have my reading settings as well. How I want it to read. And discussion. So you can see it's pretty self-explanatory, but there is many options here, and we'll be using several of these different options. If someone becomes a member of my blog, what do I want? What do I want to use? Their gravatar? Do I want to use them a monster ID? Or however, I can choose that. I can also choose ratings of my blogs and how to show my avatars or not to show avatars. Media options. I mean, the list goes on of how customizable this is. I can change this however I want to. But you can see that most everything you're going to see for WordPress is just going to be over here on this sidebar. And if I wanted to, for instance, I'm just going to show you how to add a new post real quick. I click Add New on Posts, and then it's just going to show up right here. It's my first post. And hello people right here, and I can add tags to that. Hosting, we'll talk about what tags are in more depth, but for now just showing you how to add a tag to your post for WordPress. If I had categories, I would click the category that this post has to do with. I can even make a little excerpt of what my post is about. And then I can either save it, I can preview it, or I can publish. I'm just going to publish for now. And once that goes ahead and finishes up, I can go ahead and I'll see my first post on my blog if I go to mybrooksummarypress.com. And that's one of the great things. You see, there's my first post on my WordPress blog. The other thing you might want to look at real quickly before we finish the dashboard view here is kind of the change of the appearance. I'm going to click on themes here. And you notice it comes with several default themes that I can use, but there's a huge theme library that I can choose from if I want to change the look and feel of my WordPress blog. It's really simple to do it. If I wanted to change a theme, we'll go ahead and change to this Christmas. And if I just click Activate after I've clicked on it, this is one of the powerful things about WordPress. Now if I go to my book summary, where it was to refresh, I'm going to see a very different looking blog. There it is. Boom. That's how easy it is to go ahead and change your theme, the look and the feel of your WordPress blog. Alright, that's just a dashboard view. We're going to be in WordPress a lot, showing you a lot of different things, but for now, just wanted to give you an overview of what it's like back here on the dashboard of WordPress, of the free WordPress. Thank you very much.